tech you'll regret ignoring in 2025. Electronics and PCB Manufacturing Edition, subtitle Where ERP Stop, We Start. Welcome to another episode of Tech You'll Regret Ignoring in 2025. Today we're zooming into the world of electronics and PCB manufacturing where micro errors cause macro disasters. Your ERP might be tracking sales orders and inventory, but can it tell you which reflow oven caused a cold joint, why the same batch keeps failing ICT, or how many boards were mishandled on the line? No, because ERPs aren't designed for the factory floor's heartbeat. That's where Aeologic steps in. You've invested in ERP? Great. But here's what's still happening. Production teams don't know real-time status across workstations. QA is manually compiling failure logs and test results. Maintenance is reactive. Machines fail, then tickets are raised. There's no instant visibility between shift changeovers. If a bot fails at final testing, the root cause is lost in the fog. In 2025, the leading factories are bridging this gap. They are tagging each PCB and panel with RFID or barcode systems, tracking them in real time. IoT sensors monitor reflow temperatures, soldering consistency, even ambient humidity, and stream it all live. Artificial intelligence engines flag anomalies in real time, not days later via a report. And all this integrates on top of their existing ERP. No rip and replace, just intelligent augmentation. Think of your ERP as the brain, but it's missing the eyes, ears, and reflexes. Aeologic becomes your eyes with real-time visual dashboards of production lines, ears through sensors and alert systems that detect errors instantly, intelligence via AI-powered analytics to catch patterns humans miss, and arms through mobile tools that let field workers act, report, and sync on the go. We don't replace your ERP, we give it superpowers. In 2025, ERPs alone won't cut it. Precision manufacturing needs real-time visibility, instant traceability, and actionable intelligence on the line, in the lab, and on the shop floor. Still relying on yesterday's tools to build tomorrow's tech? It's time to upgrade with Aeologic. This is tech you'll regret ignoring in 2025. Brought to you by Aeologic Technologies, filling the gaps your ERP never could.